we are headed to the ruins. So, come on.
Our starting point is Henan. So, sabi nila it's around ilang minutes?
Hopefully 20 minutes.
20 minutes of walk going to the ruins daw. So, we'll try. We'll see kung andun kami in 20 minutes. Today, ten minutes of walking. Pag ganun pa kami. So, tara. Lakad. Habang hindi pa gaanong mainit. Job and Edwin here doing the sand castle. 15 minutes of walking. Papainit na ng papainit. Sige. Nahiya siya, nahiya. Walking pa here at the Lind. At doon pa kami pupunta. Layo pa. This spot here is so pretty. Siyempre wala ng tao kasi this is the only part where you can like walk. Ang mga tao ay nandun sa Station 1. So dito, chill na chill. Maganda ang lugar dito sa this part. Siguro next time we're gonna be staying here. This is the other side of Boracay where most people do not explore. Pero kami ni Jan, we'd like to see as much when we're in a place. Kaya, tara! There you go. Bye! Ayan sila. Package tour yan. Kaya, nasa group. Jan is going to the left side. You can choose to go there. Or you can choose to go here. So, ito yung makikita mo rito. Bukod sa maraming tao. Siyempre, this is a tourist spot.
Oh, yeah. Alakay!
So, one way in, one way out. So, yan. Bigay-bigay tayo ng mga dumadaan. Okay. So, it's my turn now. Alright. This part, daungan ng mga bangka. Tahimik dito. We've reached this Dini Beach. Highly recommended in some vlogs that we've watched. Masarap daw ang pagkain, so we're gonna try. Lakad uli after eating at Dini Beach Bar and Grill. Init. Konti na lang, malapit na. Ayun na. Yan, may palakad na ganyan. Hindi pa pala tapos. Meron pa dun sa baba. Parang wala na. Pero babalik tayo dito to. Party boat! That's a party boat! Be careful! Diyan! Happiness! Na ang araw, napakainit. So from the ruins doon, bumaba pa kami. And this is where we are now. So tahimik na rin dito. Ang mga bata nag-enjoy. They're having fun. Ito siya.